module. So again, we're back to you, the super developer, and the product owner. And the product owner wants to manage events, manage and host events. So what she wants is an events module. So we're going to build over the next sort of couple of hours here. Going to build an events module for our group website, and it's sort of a very simple website. It has a couple of templates, it has renderings, but it shows you how the inner workings of a module, and with that, you should be able to work out pretty much any business logic in there. So, I mean, when you look at it, when you got the fundamentals down, there's not a lot to Habitat and Helix. If you open up Habitat, you might be surprised by the sheer volume of modules and all that stuff and the complexity of the setup. But hopefully now you should see it's not that hard. It's quite simple actually. So so this is what she's looking at. She wants an event, and that's what the fields she wants. She wants a page that has some content, a map of the venue, and a sign-up form. She wants a list and a teaser that she can put on the front page or any page, and she wants it to be searchable. So let's just look at just some few of the fundamentals before we dive into creating it. So working with Visual Studio. So again, a project can span multiple Visual Studio projects. One implementation can span multiple Visual Studio solutions. So that's the grouping of modules that we have, how we group things together, and it can help ease the management of the solution. Always manage one module's projects in one Visual Studio solution. This is an important one. Use the solution folders inside a solution to group all the projects that relate to one module, so the unit tests, those kind of things. But don't start spanning your, that's the next one. Don't split Visual Studio projects over Visual Studio solutions by type. If you start doing that, you've misunderstood everything I've said for the last hour, 2 hours. So don't put all your unit tests in one. Don't put all your code projects or all your tedious projects in one. So that would be fairly contradictory to the whole architecture. So group them by business domain. Think about how you can split your solution across business domains. And as I said, when foundation modules become frameworks, consider moving them to NuGet or use them as APIs instead of customer implementations. So if this is, of course, obviously, if you're a partner and you've got multiple solutions and you're sort of managing that kind of scenario.